Sorry. I'm told visiting hours are over.
I'm an executioner named Strahd. I have come here to kill you.
I should warn you that I am fairly strong.
Stronger than me?
Stronger even than Ara the Guillotine.
I doubt that very much.
Why?
Why? For this fight is already over.
Demons these days are such a disgrace. No experience on the battlefield.
You bitch! Let's talk this through!
Why call out to a mother? Demons are monsters, and like all monsters, they don't raise their young. Once born, you are abandoned. You walk this world alone. That makes you ruthless, solitary creatures. Lone wolves with no concept of what family means. Explain. Why would you call out to a mother you've never known?